I pitched books, I pitched articles. We got a small grant from Sundance a couple of years ago to develop a possible documentary film on it. It's like climate change. It's like anything. It's like so many subjects, Ray. How long does it take people to pay attention to it? And this is a place, in every century, there's a place you never thought about that suddenly everybody's focusing on. And we all know there's going to be, I remember like 10, 15 years ago, I was telling people, look at Yemen. And they'd go, where? And I'd go, Yemen, it's the next place. And now it's Yemen. So the Bering Strait is that place. But how long does it take people to see it? I lived in Washington 10 years, and I watched so many stories percolate their way up, obvious to the people who saw them. And then 7, 8 years later, they'd break in the major media as if they just appeared on Earth, when the fact is that people ignored them for years until it was staring them in the face. And I think the Bering Strait is such a story. It's a flashpoint that hasn't flashed yet. It's a possible place where we could see a way to avoid trouble, because so far relations are good between the US and Russia there. But it's a place that could be a spark. So why haven't people seen it? Why don't people see a lot of stories till it's too late?